Alright guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to make a video on why you don't need a degree, and this may sound weird coming from Josh Answers Stay in School, but if you even listen to the other Josh that we have with TTF Real Estate, you know, he tells you to drop out, and I don't think you should necessarily drop out, but I want to talk about something when it comes to like trading, making money. There's just something that really just pissed me off. You know, I haven't made one of these ranting videos in a minute, and you know, I'm trying not to be negative. I'm not trying to go after anybody, but I just seen some bullshit, honestly. You know, excuse my language. I'm sure if you guys listen to me, that's no surprise, but the thing that got me is that, and why I'm saying this is because, like, even after dropping this free course, you know, educating people, I've pissed some people in Wall Street off. And I've just been seeing kids who, you know, they say they work at their interns, they work on Wall Street, they're getting their MBAs, and like, it's just sad, kind of the mentality that these guys have towards people and how discouraging they are to people because people aren't going to school. Like, literally, they're making posts about people saying, oh, look at this guy, he's 29 years old, he stopped working at his job at Verizon to become an entrepreneur and this and that, and like, dude, the only thing I'm gonna say about that is just literally like, you're gonna make fun of somebody and you're gonna talk down on somebody because they didn't go to school and they're trying. You're literally gonna give somebody shit for trying to make their life better. Like, when has it not been cool to try? Like, oh yeah, I'm actually trying to do something that, oh, you're a fag, you're whack, you're this, you're that. Like, are you serious? Like, you guys realize, like, I think it's way cooler to try than to not try at all. Somebody who's not trying, that's a head scratcher. And you know, I'm sick of this superiority. You know, I always said stay in school, but I never looked down upon anybody who didn't go to college. Like, I have 2 degrees. I have multiple successful companies. You know, I do very well at trading and even real estate. My brother and a lot of people I know, even the other Josh in the real estate, none of them have degrees. You know, you don't need that. And that's where I'm trying to let you guys know that to become successful, you don't need a degree. And you know, if you are in college, and you know, let me even preface this by even saying, you know, I know at times I'm not saying I'm perfect, and I may have come off as if I have been looking down on people, or I've said stuff where you know, like, I know how I've talked to people about Forex and other stuff, and I just wanted them to get into something good. I didn't like it when people got misled, but I see the mistakes that I've made in that sense. But at the same time now, if you're gonna go and just like think you're better because you're in a college program, you're getting a degree, you're spending all this money to go get into debt, and then you're also now gonna go work for somebody else, and you're gonna talk down on somebody for trying to make their own business, trying to get into trading, trying to learn when they didn't have the same opportunity as you, you're a joke. Honestly, it's just like you're just a privileged piece of shit. There's no other way to put that. Like, and now I want you guys to understand, like, if you are in college and doing that, there's nothing wrong. Like, you will be able to get opportunities and do that, but again, just don't, like, I've noticed in the stock world, if, you know, I know people, I know banks, I've came up in that world, and you know what? That's what I tell people, because they can't say anything to me that I have money, but I just know along the way, people, you know, I shouldn't be where I am. I shouldn't know what I know about the stock market, being from the sons of immigrants, and not really, my parents don't know anything about financial markets. So for me to actually be involved within that, I think it's just crazy how there's people looking down and say, oh, you have to do this. Just because someone's not doing it your way doesn't mean you look down upon them. And again, that's where I've made my mistake, and I understand that. So yeah, call me a hypocrite, call me this, I'd rather call myself wrong. You know, I'm totally okay with being wrong. I'm okay with recognizing my mistakes. That's how I grow as a person. But if you're gonna say you need college and you're gonna, again, talk shit on people like that, that's just not true at all. And you know, you don't need college to get into trading. And the point I'm making here is that we live in 2018. That's it. That's all you need to say, because it's a disruptive time frame we're in. You don't need the things you needed back then to succeed. You know, you don't need what you need to become a trader anymore. You don't need what you need to make a business. You have the internet. It's the only time. This is the information age. You could get information on stocks, real-time quotes. You could go get online college courses. You could go sit in a college class if you wanted without paying anything. Hell, you could go walk into a college right now and sit into a lecture hall and go learn without ever getting your test graded. They're not gonna know, and go talk to any professor, they'll let you. So if you are motivated enough to go learn and go get it on your own, you don't need a degree. And again, if you're the type to look on somebody and you think just because you're in some high and mighty position, and guess what, it might pay well, awesome to you, man. Do your thing. But if you're gonna go tell little guys, oh no, you gotta go do this, man, you're just a prick at the end of the day, and you're scared that other people are gonna learn and that they're gonna be able to surpass that, because you know very well, or maybe you're ignorant, that they could go online and learn this stuff and compete with the greatest. This is online. You could go learn what you need to make on YouTube to make 6 figures a year. You could acquire a skill, pick it up, master it. You could go connect with people. You could go find mentors, all the way down to friends online, all across the nation, all across the world. And this is 2018. And so if you're gonna say, oh, this is that, you know, the financial industry is one of the worst right now in terms of it, just like real estate, they're antiquated. So just because you're in an antiquated industry, and guess what, I'm in the same industry, I just did it different, and I make a lot of money. So if you want to go pound for pound and look down on people like that, I just think, you know, that's the typical Wall Street big dick swinging contest, you know. I don't need your validation, and guess what? You don't need their validation elsewhere too. For all of you people listening, you don't need someone's validation, you know. Smile in their face, let them know, say, all right, cool. I'm sure you're having fun what you're doing. I'm sure you make a lot of money, but if you're gonna knock me for trying, you don't even have to say anything to them, you know. But keep doing that, and don't think you guys need this or that, you know. Go online, pick up the skills, and you guys are gonna see, you know, I was saying the financial industry, it's crazy because I know guys in finance who've really changed the game in general of what they were doing. And you know, they took the Series 7, they went that route, but when it came to managing a wealth management, and shout out my boy Evan, you know who you are, you know, going in there and instead of charging fees and going the normal route, he broke off, made his own fund. He's managing over $60 million, and he's killing it just by not doing what the norm wanted. And now that's the thing, my caution for you guys is make sure you guys learn the right way. That's why I wanted to make the free course. That's why I put out these YouTube videos, is so that you guys could go find information. There's no obligation to you at all, and try to get into the right frame. That's the whole point with the stock trading course that we have for free, that chat room, everything. I want people to have an environment where they could learn the right way without getting sold something, and so that they know, okay, what route should I take, so that they're not spinning their wheels, wasting their time in that. And guess what? If people want to knock you for saying, oh, I'm taking an online course, oh, it's this guy, oh yeah, you know, go ahead, shoot the messenger. Who cares? Oh, Josh Answers is a scam, this and that. I don't care what they have to say. I don't care if you believe it. Go look at the information. That's all you have to do. Take the good information, leave out the bad, and start advancing your life, and don't let anybody discourage you from that. And don't worry about what people are gonna think and say and this, and if they're, oh, I'm high and mighty, I have this, I have that. That person needs a lot of validation in life. You know, you're talking to some guy, yeah, I post pictures, I post this type of stuff, but at the end of the day, you don't know my name, and you don't see me posting my face, because I don't get my validation from that. I don't get people, oh yeah, they spot me. I don't want to be fucking famous, you know? I'm not trying to be. If that was the case, I'd post my face. I'd want people to recognize me when I'm in LA, when I'm in San Diego. I want people to know. Dude, no, I do that so you guys are motivated and know what you can accomplish. And really, you go watch my videos and see my story. I'm not supposed to have any of this. I shouldn't be here. And I did take a traditional route. I did go to college, and I do say stay in school, but seeing the behavior of some of these people makes me so disappointed, where I do want to say fuck school and do that. And I'm scared to say that because I want you guys to make good decisions with your life. I don't want you to, you know, school is for some people, it's not for others. Making money is just on you. you could do it regardless. But now I just want to make sure that people aren't, you know, it's easy to get caught up in a lifestyle of saying, yeah, I want to be an entrepreneur. The lifestyle it provides, the things, the time, the free time, the time with your family, all that, it's appealing, but I don't want you to confuse that with being laziness. You see, I say stay in school, I mean that by keep educating yourself, and that's what I want you guys to always keep doing. But it doesn't mean you have to go to school. And honestly, just because you don't go to school, and if you think you're gonna learn online, great, here's my next level. It's not gonna be fucking easy, okay? It's gonna be hard, and you have to actually do it. If you wanna just say, I wanna be an entrepreneur to be lazy, I don't support that. But if you wanna be an entrepreneur, you wanna get into trading, business, and you're gonna dedicate your life to it, and you're gonna put in just as much time as you would at a job, I'm all for it. I wanna help you. But everything else beyond that, I'm not with it. So again, you don't need a degree. All the information is online. Sure, you could come to me. There's other places. Just go do it the right way. Go study the Warren Buffetts, the Carl Icahns, the people who've done very successful. Benjamin Graham, Intelligent Investor, that's it. Another book, Richest Man in Babylon, that will change your life. And also, Strangest Secret of the World. I swear I've been in a car video just like this. I think I was in the Maserati or Ferrari giving those book recommendations. So please read them and listen to them. But at the same time, man, you guys see anybody trying to knock you for trying, that person is that's just a weirdo. If they think honestly, oh yeah, you're trying, you're weird, oh you're trying, don't try, that's not cool, you gotta screw them, man. I love y'all. Stay in school. Like the video, drop a comment, subscribe, and hopefully I see you in that